It's very likely that most of you watching are aware of telemarketing scams. But did you know there are scams surrounding YouTube and other social media platforms too? Many of you have probably seen the advertisement before some of our videos about a drone where this FBI agent left his facility and is now selling what used to be a $13,000 drone for $60. And for a limited time, as long as you buy two, you can take advantage of that sale too. I hope you guys know if it sounds way too good to be true, that it probably is. And I'm here to tell you not to fall for that awful drone scam that shows it shooting flames, transforming mid-air, and beautiful 4K footage for $100 or less. However, if you do want to learn how to fly a drone and you want something that's compact, foldable, brushless drones, 1080p camera, visual position hold, and a GPS, something like this might be what you're looking for. In today's video, we're gonna test this drone to see if about a $200 price point is something that I'd recommend for you to get into as your first drone. Let's fly. There, throttled up, holding throttle up. I had to unlock it on the app. And what Abby and I like to do when we first take off any drone after it's been calibrated and you know you have a good GPS lock is the hover test. We just like to let it hover for about 30 seconds to make sure it's not gonna get a mind of its own and do something crazy called the toilet bowl effect where it'll just start spiraling out of control. We have a little bit of drift on this drone, but so far that's not too bad. It does have a visual position hold on the bottom of the drone, which should help to lock it into place, but there is a little bit of drift going on there, and this is a GPS camera drone. So the hover looks good. Let's fly out just a little bit and up some so we have a decent view. Maybe everyone will get to see the pond that is back here up above the hillside where we fly a lot of our airplanes. So I hate to say that $200 is kind of like the cheap price point now, but that's kind of where we're at. Let's see if we can see that pond. It's right over there. That's pretty cool. You know, maybe 2 or 3 years ago, Abby and I could have found a drone with similar qualities, probably a little lesser on the camera quality and stuff, for right around 130 bucks. Now on Amazon, around $210 will get you this drone with a really nice case and a couple batteries. Each battery is boasting a 25-minute flight time, so with 2 batteries charged, and it comes with 2 USB chargers, you can fly for almost an hour. That's not bad. That's actually really good. We have tons of telemetry that I can see on my phone screen too, that's telling me how far out we are, how high we are, our battery life that is left, and this boasts about 1,000-foot range for the video signal quality, so let's see what we can get. It actually looks like our video quality is not bad, but it's frozen. So I'm gonna bring it down some and see if we can get it back into range. Already, that's not a great video signal range. So we're not off to a really good start, but that's what our tests are for here on YouTube. Let's see, I'm going to stop.
At the end of the video, I'll have a drone pop up that we highly recommend, just so you know. Let's see. Allow access, and it's still frozen.
Yeah.
And it's not even recording anymore. I don't know what to tell you, Nate. If it's frozen, it's frozen. That's how it performs.
I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get it back close to us. Abby and I just fiddled around with the app for a second to see if we could get it unfrozen, and with no luck. Now the app itself isn't actually frozen because there's a message scrolling at the bottom of the card of the screen. So it's not actually frozen, it's just the video live feed is frozen. So we're probably gonna have to restart the drone and the app at least. We're gonna restart the app. So Abby and I just played around with the app for another like 2 minutes. We're gonna land the drone, completely reset it.
Hit the auto land button, go back up.
Let's go up. We'll test the auto land feature really quick. Just so we can test something. Let's go ahead and auto land. I'm gonna hold it. There, if you hold it, it comes down and it just lands in place. Now there is a return to home feature you can press too. We'll test that, but first we want to see if we can get this video feed to work.
That was a little hard.
There, actually it popped back in while we were doing that. So this video.
Okay.
Well, it's frozen again though.
Are you serious?
Yeah, we're gonna reset the whole. There, and now it's caught back up.
Oh my goodness.
Now it's caught back up. This is just a really bad video feed, but we're gonna reset it and try again. Unlocked, throttling up. Sorry, that was a little close, Abby. All right, we changed a couple things around and we're just hoping with the strong reset that we've got a decent video feed. It looks good, so let's fly back out and up again. We were not far, we were not too high. That's the one thing you guys are going to get on our channel, is absolute transparency and honesty. And believe it or not, we've tested over 1,100 drones now on our channel, and I think that's why people liked watching our drone videos, is for the sheer honesty. Over 50% of the drones that we were featuring on our channel were about this quality, and people knew exactly what to avoid. There are drone channels now out there that all they do is push this stuff and say, buy, 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 use my affiliate link so I make money. I don't care if you get a bad product or not. And it just disgusts me, to be honest with you. Now, Abby, I don't know, you probably can't tell this, but I have turned the drone to the right, 90 degrees. I'm facing to the right, but the drone video signal is still facing the pond.
So it's frozen again.
It is frozen again. So this, you guys, is just an absolutely useless bad drone, which is a shame. It's a real shame, because we like to see the little bird that's swarming me. He's having fun. I gotta watch him, be a little careful, but he's curious.
Nothing you can do.
It's very cool. Wow, I can land the drone. There is one saving grace to this video, guys. I want to show you some other really cool thing that I was going to show you anyway, but it's kind of like just a nice bonus. I will link this drone in the description box below so you know what to avoid. We're going to land this. In my opinion, if a video drone that's designed to give you a decent photo or video cannot perform at about, I'm guessing that was somewhere around 80 feet high or so.
Yep.
80 feet out, I don't know. If you can't get a decent video live feedback to your phone, I've seen drones that really are $60 that can get a better video feed than that. That, in my opinion, is absolutely pointless. But there is something really cool I'm going to show you guys for drones, and actually like movie watching and all kinds of things on your phone. Now, when we started this video, I fully expected to show you guys a good alternative to that scam drone that I was talking about. I didn't expect this to be a bad drone, but Abby mentioned in the video, hopefully you caught it, we'll have an alternative drone right around the same price point in the description box below that is really good, that we've tested, so it's not a complete waste of your time. I was hoping that drone would be good enough for me to put these goggles on, or this mask, so that I could talk about this, because I've been using it. Now, this is a company that I thought at first glance seems ridiculously overpriced. It just does. I'll just be honest with you. It's very expensive for just plastic lenses, foam, and some elastic that holds this thing on your head. I've seen these.
Don't forget the zipper.
Well, the zipper's really nice too. It's just a really good quality. It's like top-notch quality. It is literally the best of this type of thing that I've ever seen. And I've used it with my personal phone, with drone shots, with high quality 4K videos on YouTube, and I thoroughly enjoy this. Now, this isn't just for everybody. I've seen these types of things that you can buy Black Friday for like $15, and they're toys and they're chintzy. But if you want to take your phone viewing experience, be it with a drone, or just watching YouTube videos, or even playing video games, you just put your phone, even my large phone, this is an iPhone 13 Pro, will fit inside this nice and snug. It's a really unique clipping system too. In fact, this actually works in my case. I remember telling Abby how happy I was that I didn't have to take my phone out of its case, but surprisingly, it fits. And then you can adjust this lens with this locking and unlocking system here that zooms in and out so that you can adjust it for your focal length. I had it about perfect for me. And it even fits over my glasses, which is something they boast about. And these are huge aviators.
Do they fit over those? Do you know? They fit over your regular glasses.
They do.
No light?
Perfectly, and no light is coming in.
Nice.
Now, here's the thing with this company. They have an affiliate program, okay? And I could sign up for that affiliate program, but I'm just not doing it. I just don't want to bother. There's just one thing, one company, I don't want to. They're not paying me to say this. I'm just telling you that if you want the best quality goggles that I've ever seen that you can put your phone in, this is it. Okay, check them out. We'll have them linked in the description box below. This is just a nice cherry on top for coming to tune in to watch a bad drone video.
Bad drone, not a video.
That's right, yeah, bad drone video. That's comma video. Guys, I like getting in front of the camera and coming out here with a jet that goes 117 miles an hour and saying, look at this awesome thing. Let's have fun together. Maybe you want to buy one, let's go, right? But not all videos are going to be just extremely awesome, adrenaline pumping, win, win, win every time. That's actually why Abby and I stopped doing drone videos, because we were only doing drone videos because they were very popular, and unfortunately manufacturers made them cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and they were pumping them out hoping anybody would buy it just because. And I think we actually helped a lot. We helped a couple channels steer away from doing that. A little bit of shame on you. Unfortunately, someone had to.
And we got made fun of for saying shame on you too.
Yeah,
There's a couple videos of people making fun of us for that.
Yes, that's true. But I think it did help the industry. Now, unfortunately, there's still some that exist. There are still scams out there, and we just want our followers, our subscribers, to be aware of the bad stuff that's out there. Let us know if you like this video. Give us a like. Let us know in the comments section. But for me, I'm grateful to God for allowing us to get in front of the camera and be transparent and honest with you guys from day one for 9.5 years. Massive, massive thanks. And a huge thanks to our Patreon supporters too, because we've always had to tap into our funds through Patreon to sometimes keep content coming to the channel because of bridges that we have burned through our honesty and transparency. So we thank you guys from the bottom of our hearts. If you're interested in a good budget drone that won't break the bank, we'll have that video popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye.